everyone, I wanted to provide a little bit of video support for the Week 3 Reflection Forum. So in this reflection forum, you're sharing a link to the Week 2 paper that you've uploaded to your Folio. So first thing I wanted to do is go back to the Week 2 prompt and show you how to upload into your Folio in case you haven't done that yet. So you'll click on the Modules link in our course menu, scroll down to our Week 2 module and click on the assignment prompt. At the bottom of the assignment prompt, you can find information on setting up your Folio and using the Folio. If you haven't reviewed that yet, you'll definitely want to make sure to do so. Once you've done that, you can click the Open Folio, and it will take you out to your Folio. So at this point, if I wanted to upload a file, I would create New Project. I would then click Upload File and select a file from my computer. I'm just going to select a template because I don't have the Week 2 paper, but you definitely want to make sure you're uploading your Week 2 paper for this one. And it will take just a moment to process that upload while you can continue identifying some of this information, such as the category. You can see it's now uploaded. A description if you'd like. If you want to add skills or tags, then you'll click Publish. And the visibility options, I believe, are set to public, which is what you want to leave so that your classmates will be able to access your Folio link. And then click Publish Project. Oops, I didn't give it a name. So Project 1. Now I can click Publish and Publish Project. So that will take a minute to publish, and then I will see a view where I can click Share, and I can copy a link to share my project. So I'm going to leave this screen in case you've already uploaded your paper to Folio, but you're now being told that your classmates are not able to view your project. So if that's the case, you would click on your project, which would be your Week 2 paper in this particular scenario. You would click Edit Project, and then you would use the tool icon at the top of the page to make sure your visibility is set to public. Then you can click Done, Save Changes. Then back at your home page for your Folio, you can scroll down, click the Share link, and get that copy link to your project so that you can share it in the Week 3 Reflection Forum. I hope this helps. If you have any follow-up questions, definitely let me know.